scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Current output is above potential, so this is an inflationary gap, and the fastest fix is finding the most contractionary central bank move. Start with the gap itself. When real output is greater than potential output, the economy is overheated, so the central bank wants contractionary policy to reduce lending, spending, and demand. Now use the ample reserves clue. If banks already hold plenty of reserves, changing required reserves matters less, but paying banks more interest on reserves strongly encourages them to hold funds. That pulls money out of circulation through lower lending, cools aggregate demand in the short run, and closes the inflationary gap. So C works best. Well done! Option C. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rushing. Trust given conditions, then check the steps so policy direction matches the output gap.